Hello, I'm Dr. Walter Campbell. I'm with Janice here, who has retinitis pigmentosa, and we made some small breakthroughs in her vision, and all right, Janice, tell us where you are right now, all right?
Yes. Well, when I first started looking at the cards, and I looked straight on, I wasn't able to see the number or letter. I always had to pull it to the side and catch it from a little portion of the vision that I had on the side. But now I'm noticing when I'm practicing, I can look at the card straight on, and what I have to do is I close my left eye, and looking with my right eye, I'm able to actually see it straight on now.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes more crisp than others, but I am able to see that. And for a long time, my left eye, which is the worst eye, I wasn't able to see anything. But now I'm able to close my right eye and look straight on. And what I had to do is start looking like you had recommended to me, to look at the bottom of the card, and what was very foggy, murky, slowly I started to see like the number 10 appear. And I was like, wow, really? So then I went up to where I would see the number regular, and by doing a little movement as well and relaxing the eye, I thought I was dreaming, because through that cloud the number started slowly coming in, and I got all excited. So now I'm able to do that with the number 10, the letter K, and yeah, so it's really exciting that I'm able to see that come through a little bit on my worst eye now.
Okay, so how long have you been with me now? How many months?
I started in October.
November, December, January, February. So about 6 months. So how far have you come since then in terms of your vision? How much of improvement have you had?
I've had improvement a little bit in my everyday living around the house. I see things a little bit clearer, because when I came in to you, I had more than light perception. I had contrast. But it's kind of hard to explain, people with RP, but I am able to see a little bit more crisp when I'm going around the house. And then I started to look in the mirror, because I haven't really wanted to pay attention.
What?
It's hard when you at one point are able to see your face in the mirror, then you can't see it anymore. It's just blurred. And then when you try to look at your eye sockets, and they just look dark. And now, just recently, I started to see like features in my face, the bridge of my nose, a little bit of my lips. Just the other day, I started moving my eyebrows around, and I saw a glimpse of the movement of my right eyebrow. And it just was amazing to me after so long. I was happy to write you that it happened to me.
That's a definite step forward, and we'll continue. We must add that your cataracts were, in terms of the other patients we're working with, a lot more dense, and we had to work through those cataracts, which we are slowly melting away. As your blind spots decrease, your vision increases, and also I think that your retina was a lot more damaged than the other patients who are a little bit faster than you are, but now you're coming on board, and as your vision increases, you'll start to your vision will increase faster and faster. I mean, that's our experience with the other 3 patients. So we look forward to working with you. This is Dr. Walter Campbell with a retinitis pigmentosa patient, Janice. moving forward. Thanks for watching. God bless.